Hello children, this is Mosmi, Maths faculty, Mangala Vidya Mandira. So I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn a new chapter called fraction. So see, you would draw a rectangle and divide into two parts. Here one part we have colored with red. So this red part, if I tell, this red part is the half of the rectangle. Okay, so one half of the. So when we are dividing anything in different parts, that means we are taking the fraction. So what is a fraction? When an object is divided into a number of equal parts, then each part is called the fraction. That means while you might know, while your birthday cake used to come, so your parents will divide it into equal parts among your friends. So when how many equal parts has to do, so how many your friends have come, according to that they have to make the equal parts. So each part we will say it is the fraction. Okay, so therefore fraction is a part of a whole. So means how much you have whole together, how much you have in that fraction is a part of that. Okay, so here similarly you draw a circle and divide into equal 4 parts. So if we shade one part, so that will be give you the fraction 1 by 4. That means total we have to write down, then how many shaded, that we will write up. Okay, now see here part of the fraction. What we will write top, that is known as numerator, and what we will write down, that is called denominator. That means while we are taking a object, while we are dividing it into equal parts, see this I did 3 equal part. Okay, so these 3 equal part I have to divide. So one whole things, how many equally divided? That is 3. So 3 is the equally divided part that we should call as a denominator. So which is the denominator? What is the totally how many parts we have divided, that number is called denominator. So which one is called numerator? In this, see these two part I have shaded. So among these 3 part, 2 part is shaded. That means 2 we will write up. So that is called numerator. So while we are writing the shaded part, how much we are writing? This is for the fraction for the shaded part. Similarly, I can write 1 by 3. So that this is for shaded. Okay, this is 1 by 3 fraction is for unshaded. So how many unshaded portion is remaining? 1. So 1 out of 3, 1 is unshaded. So that is called unshaded fraction for unshaded part. So similarly like this we can write the fraction. Okay. So denominator is how many equal part in the whole object. So how many we are dividing? Here it is divided 2. So this 2 equal part we will write down, that is called denominator. Okay, similarly here if you observe how many equal parts this object has divided, 1 2 3 4. So total 4 we have. So in this case then 4 is denominator. If I say how many part is shaded, so out of 4, 4 is shaded. So 4 by 4 is the fraction where 4 part is shaded and 4 is the equal divided. So in this, how many part is scratched? 2. So 2 out of 4. So this 4 is denominator and 2 is numerator. So numerator, while we will The numerator says how many parts from the whole. That means how many parts we are shading or how many parts are unshaded. That has to distinguish. That means while you are dividing your birthday cake, how much part you have ate. Okay, that means maybe your birthday cake is divided 8 equal parts. In that you got only one part. So how much? What will be the numerator here for the fraction for you? 1. How much fraction you got? 1. So 1 by 8. That means 1 is the numerator, 8 is whole part. So out of 8 part, how much you got? 1. So that means 1 is the numerator. Here you can see that with how many part is colored. So here total how many parts? 4. So 4 is what? Denominator. How many shaded? 3. So 3 is numerator. So what will be the fraction? 3 by 4. Okay. So the numerator, the number of the part from the whole, and the number of parts of the whole is divided into. So this is the total. Okay. Now how to read? How to read the fraction? So 1 by 2 half, 1 by 3 1/3, okay, 1 by 4 1/4 or quarter, 1 by 5 1/5 or a fifth, 1 by 8, then 2/3, 3/4. So what you can observe here, what we are writing, numerator will write the exact number. Like see, you can observe here 1/3. That means 1 we are writing exact the number name, and 3 we are not writing, we are writing third. That means ordinal number what you learn, no? Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, or like that you have learned, no? So numerator will write exact number name, denominator we will write the ordinal number. For that, what will be the ordinal? Like for 8 ordinal will be 8th. Okay. 15 ordinal will be 15th. Okay. If I write 2 by 10. So what will be the number name? It will be 2/10. Okay. That means 2 we are writing numerator exact number name, and this is ordinal name. Okay, like this way you have to write the fraction in word. What do we call fraction in word? Okay, so 1 by 2 half. Okay, then 1 by 3 1/3, 1 by 4 1/4 or quarter, 1 by 5 like 3 by 4 3/4, 5 by 6 5/6. Like that you have to learn the fraction in word. Okay, so this is the assignment. What you have to do, see 1 by 5. That means out of 5, this is equally 5 divided. In that 1 you have to color. 1 by 2 it is equally divided to 1 you have to color. See here 3 by 4. So it is equally divided 4 part. 3 part you have to color. So like that you have to complete this one. Then in that you have to write the fraction. So how many parts is shaded? For that you have to write the fraction. Here what you have to do, how many part is color? For that you have to write the fraction. For that which one is the which one is the numerator, which one will be the denominator, you have to neatly write. So this is your homework for this fraction. I hope you have got the idea about the fraction. More you will learn in the 3rd standard. Okay, I think you have understood. Neatly you will complete this home assignment in homework book. Okay. Thank you, children.